Okay, London session live. Got the London scanner all set up, but I don't really see anything that I like. There's only one pair that I'm interested in. I would like to see Euro USD. I always like trading these breakout days. If it can come up and fake out the H8 high, then it's something that I would like to take down. Trend retracement setup. That's this setup right here. Breakout day, looking for a continuation since higher time frames are all bearish. Faking out that high to take it down, but it's nowhere near ready yet. And I don't see everything else already kind of dropped in Asia. So I took a nice GJ1 and GBP NZD. Both of those went to TP. And so right now, the only thing I can see that I like is Euro Oz, but it's counter trend. Higher time frames and peak bias are all bullish. However, we are in a breakout week, bearish breakout week. Here's a breakout level. Wasn't able to get through the previous day high once, twice, and then a third time. If it fails again, then this is something that I'll look to take a reversal. Initially, I was looking for a breakout, but obviously it did not break out. It faked out that previous day high and got back under. Now let me get my MetaTrader ready. I think this might 2 minutes until needed to get below this H8 high. If I take it, it would be early because we're still above that breakout. But yeah, if I'm going to take counter trend trades, this is the way that I want to take it. I want to be at the high of the week. High of the day, high of the week as well. And today is Thursday. If I'm taking a high of the week trade on a Thursday, fourth day, there's an 80% chance that this stays at the high, faking out the previous day high on a Thursday. 80% chance that this locks in the high of the day, high of the week, I mean. And so same thing with the H8. I needed to get under this H8 high. This is the second one of the day, 66.7% chance that this locks in the high of the day. So now I'm just waiting for this to close. Let's see if we can get below this H8 high. And that's it. Don't see anything else here. Just that one trade. Oil, a bit mixed here. Don't like the daily. We are at the low of the range. Higher time frames are mostly bullish, so it does make sense to take this up, but I think I can get better than this. This is not the best looking structure. Okay, 6 seconds here. Okay, did not get under that H8 high. I definitely need it to get under here. See the 20 minutes in 10 minutes here. It's already flipped the 20 minute. So in terms of a setup here, we have bullish breakout followed by bearish fake outs, and I'm looking to take a reversal, faking out the high to take it down. This is a setup that I'm looking for. So we did fake out the previous day high. I just needed to get under this H8 high. Right now the H8 is still in breakout. Faking out the peak is the first sign of a reversal, but it's not confirmed until it gets below this H8 breakout level. There's plenty of room for me to go break even here, so I'm okay taking this one. but it has to get underneath this H8 high. Nothing else. I don't see anything else here. And so just going to wait. Yen pairs already made their move. Okay, it's about to I'm getting in before the H1, but we have faked out the H1 high. So that's the first sign of a reversal on the H1, but it'd be better if I can get in at that H1 breakout level. But it's I think it's a bit too far, but let's see if I can get, just need a 1 minute closure below this and I'll be okay. See anything else here? Nothing. EURCAD. Again, I always love these breakout days. These are super easy to trade as long as you have higher time frame confluence. All you need is a fake out of a high to take it down. That's the easier setup. So I just need a fake out of this high to take it down, but obviously it's too far down here. Those are super easy to trade. You can just focus on that setup and be profitable just by that one setup. Yeah, okay. I think I'm just going to focus on this one. Let's see. Okay, taking that. Okay, so that's the trade that I took. I'm already in this. So I'm going to be taking it down to the breakout level, the daily open for a first target. But this target is it's a bearish breakout week, and so I'm looking for a move all the way down to this previous week low. So on the weekly, it's basically flip of this. We have a strong breakout bar, and I'm trying to get in at the high of the week to take it down to the low. And okay, that's it. So I don't see anything else here. That was the only trade that I could clearly see. It's counter trend trade. Gold, UK 100. It's a bit messy here. Outside days are range days, and that's it. So let me pause and let's see if this trade plays out. Okay, it's the end of New York session. Took that one trade in London on EURAUD. Kind of just hung around this whole time. Not really going anywhere yet. So I'm just going to keep holding on to it. I'm still here at the top, at the high of the week, and I'm still looking for a move back down to at least the low of the week. I'm just going to let this run overnight. And in New York, I took one on EURCAD. EURCAD, higher time frames, all bear. Well, let me just do it on the big chart here. Higher time frame breakout levels, all bearish. Peak buys, all bearish as well. Week closed in bearish breakout, and we're below that breakout level. Today is a breakout day. And once again, I'm looking for trend retracement setup, which is a fake out of that H8 high. And I ended up taking it straight off this M15 bar. Stop loss high of the day, and I'm looking for a move down to the previous day low. So that's trend retracement setup. Higher time frames all bearish, relying on these higher time frame traders to push me down. Setup is a continuation setup. Breakout day, looking for a fake out of the previous high at the high of the day, taking it down to the previous day low. So this one I'm still holding on to it. I'm just going to let this run overnight again and see if it gets all the way through. And that's it. So got those two trades, EURAUD and EURCAD. Was also looking at GBP CAD in New York, but did not set up for me. Euro USD was the other one that I really wanted to take, but I needed it to come up and fake out the H8 high. Did not do that, so no trades for me on Euro USD. And I don't think there was anything else. Oil ended up pushing up. It was one of the ones that I was looking at in London, but I opted against it because faked out the previous week high. And technically, I can go against this move because we faked out the previous day low, and we're also above that week breakout level as well as a month breakout level. So there is lots of confluence to take this up, but just wasn't comfortable with the structure, specifically because we're below that breakout level. And so I opted not to take this one in London. It was also after my session, but wouldn't have been in this one. And the other trade that I missed was UK 100. It was a breakout trade on UK 100. Breakout, bearish breakout, followed by two ranges, and we're breaking out of that outside bar range. This would have been a nice breakout trade, but I just missed that one in London. Would have been a nice one to hold on. I probably would have gone break even after this. Actually, let's see. So it faked out the H8 low, broke back out above, would have taken it on the continuation above previous day high. As this comes down, I would have gone break even, and I would still be in this one then. Yep. This one I could have still held on to. Probably take partials here at the week range high. So actually, I would have taken partials right here. But yeah, I didn't see that in real time. But would have been a nice breakout trade. And that's it. Just gonna call it a day, and I'll be back Asia session.